Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu states that Hazrat Abu Talha radiyallahu anhu said to Hazrat Sulaim radiyallahu anha, I have felt weakness in the voice of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I have discerned that he is hungry. Do you have anything to eat? She said, yes. She then took out some barley loaves of bread, took her dupatta head covering and wrapped up them in a part of it, hide them beneath my clothes, and some part of the dupatta put over me, and then dispatched me to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu says, I took those loaves of bread to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and found him sitting in the mosque accompanied by the companions. I stood by them. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, has Abu Talha sent you? I submitted, yes. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, for a meal? I submitted, yes. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said to his companions, get up. Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu says, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam set out and I walked ahead of them until I reached Abu Talha radiyallahu anhu and apprised him of it. Hazrat Abu Talha radiyallahu anhu said, O Sulaim, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam accompanied by all people is coming, but we have not enough food to serve them. She replied, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and his Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam know the best. Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu says, Hazrat Abu Talha radiyallahu anhu then proceeded forward until he met Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam came along with him. They both entered the house. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, O Sulaim, bring whatever you have. She went and fetched the loaves of bread. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam commanded to crumble the loaves of bread. So they were crumbled. Hazrat Sulaim squeezed the ghee from her leather bag onto the pieces of the bread. So the ghee did the work of curry. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereafter recited something on them, what Allah Jalla Jalaluhu willed him to recite. Then Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, permit a batch of 10 men. So he permitted 10 men and they ate to satiety and went away. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam again said, allow a batch of 10 people. So they were allowed. They all consumed food to satiety and went away. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, permit 10 people until all the people ate to their satiety. They numbered 70 or 80. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 5284.